Hello internet friends, welcome back to Free the Tomatoes. This is probably not the first time you're going to see an intro like this because this little disaster kind of affected a couple of my videos. So I somehow managed to delete my YouTube folder, which had all my pre-film footage. It had my before and after video, or before and after pictures of my products. It had my notes, it had everything in it, and it's just vanished. There's been no recovery program that we have been able to try that has actually brought it back, so I'm very distraught about that, but that little mishap has now affected this project as well. So this is my update on how 18 and 2018 is going, and unfortunately I don't have the before and after to show you again with this one. I'm probably way more upset than you are, but it's really pissing me off. But without further ado, I do have progress on the lip shades to show you. We've managed to use up that kind of orangey red color that was here, as well as the berry color. This is the one that was similar to Limerence, and this was the one that was similar to Wabi Sabi. So those are gone, and I'm very happy for that, because if you've seen any of my other updates with this, you know those lips things in this palette are far from my favorite. I despise those. They are probably actually my least favorite lip products I've ever used. I'm sorry, Shannon. I love you. I still support you, but I will never buy those lip things again. Never. On to the eyeshadows. We've also made some progress in this one. I did manage to use up Glow Baby, which was that kind of like blush topper one I was using. It also kind of worked as an all-over lid shade if you like that kind of more mauve-y pink color. And we've decluttered Beach Babe. The reason we've decluttered Beach Babe is because it didn't matter how I wore that shade, whether it was on top of something, on its own, topped with some nice kind of like eyeshadow top, like nothing I did with that made it look good. I always managed to look sick. My eyes looked irritated. It looked like allergy season. Like they just looked red on my eyes, even though it was a bronze shade. So for whatever reason, just didn't work with me, and I tried so many ways to make it work and it just didn't happen. So peace out, Beach Babe. The next couple of shades that we made some progress on are, no, this one was called Terracotta. My names are missing off of it now, but this one's called Terracotta. We made bigger pan on this one, I'm not sure if we had pan in this one in the last update or not, but we have now a decent pan on Terracotta. We have bigger pan on Buttercup. Pretty sure that's what this one's called. And we also now have pan on Silhouette. So my main use of, oh, there goes the lighting. My main use of Silhouette was as an eyeliner, but I also kind of used it as an outer corner depth color to kind of deepen my outer corner for sure. I've also used Silhouette to deepen my outer corner. So I've started using it in more ways than one. When this one runs out, I'll probably delve into that world of the Nude Dude 4 corner dark shades that I'm trying to avoid by all costs, but we're slowly making progress on it. I don't think I'm going to use all of those shades up though in this year, but who knows how this year pans out. But that is my update for this palette. Goals. I think I definitely want bigger pan in Buttercup, bigger pan in Silhouette, and I don't understand how, but I have not hit pan in Toasted yet. Not Toasted. Avocado. Sorry, this middle shade here is Avocado. It's actually probably my favorite shade out of this whole palette, so I'm surprised that I haven't hit pan on it yet. But yeah, that's my update for 18 and 2018, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!